by Kylie Howard, the story of the world's most renowned seagull. Presented by Eve and Caitlin. Chip, like most other gulls, was wild about fish and chips. Fish was hard to come by, but there were always leftover chips. He ate fat chips, skinny chips, soggy chips, sandy chips, crunchy little bits of chip, and even spicy chili dip chips. Chips were all Chip could think about, even though they made his tummy ache.
Oh, Chip loved fish and chips.
I love fish and chips. In fact, he became downright rude. Shoo! Suddenly, one day, there were no more fish or chips. Not a single crumb. It didn't matter what Chip tried, there were still no fish or chips. No fat chips, skinny chips, soggy chips, sandy chip, little bits of chip, or chili dip chip. Chip, like all the other gulls, became very, very hungry. He worried he might never eat another chip again. Then, all at once, Chip had a fantastic idea. He gathered all his friends, and together they made a secret, stealthy plan. They practiced and perfected each and every move until finally the big day arrived. Chip drew a deep breath and counted down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! Up they soared, then a roll, and a dive, and fall. The crowd went wild. It didn't take long for the word to spread about Chip and the amazing gulls. And every evening, the gulls would gulp a tummy full of Joe's fresh fish, which were better than Chip's any day.